In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unusual activity detected on Elevenlabs. If you've come across this kind of issue, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some straightforward steps that may resolve this problem quickly. First off, if you're using a VPN, you'll want to disable it. This can often be a quick fix for unusual activity alerts. Once you've turned off your VPN, go ahead and reload the Elevenlabs website. VPNs can sometimes make it look like multiple attempts to access the site are coming from different locations, which might confuse the system. Next, ensure that your network connection is stable. Slow or intermittent connections can sometimes lead to errors or security alerts on various sites, including Elevenlabs. A stable connection will ensure that the website can verify your activity properly, reducing the chances of triggering an alert. Now, it's time to dig into your browser settings. Open your browser and click on the three little dots you see in the top right corner. This will give you access to the settings menu. Here's a tip. Different browsers may display the settings option differently, but you'll typically find it near the top of that menu. Once you're in the settings, take a moment to clear your browser cache and cookies. This step helps by removing outdated or corrupted data that might be causing the unusual activity warning. To do this, look for an option related to privacy or security, where you will find data management tools. Clearing the cache can help resolve a multitude of issues, as it essentially gives your browser a fresh start with the website. If you've followed these steps and the issue persists, consider switching to another network. Often, network-specific settings can trigger these alerts. Try accessing the site from a different Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to see if this solves the problem. Another step you might want to consider is upgrading to a paid plan. Free accounts can sometimes face restrictions that aren't present with paid plans, and upgrading could bypass some of these issues. Additionally, avoid creating multiple free accounts. This activity often flags the system and could potentially lead to warnings or even temporary bans from accessing services on Elevenlabs. Keep things simple and use a single verified account to ensure a smooth experience. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and the problem is still reoccurring, it's time to reach out to Elevenlabs support. The support team can provide specific guidance and help resolve any persistent issues. They're there to ensure that your experience with their service is as seamless as possible. By following these steps, you should be back on track without that unusual activity alert troubling you. Stay connected for more helpful tips, and thanks for watching.